The best thing Mike cooks me, that's so hard because he makes so many good meals. I'd say I love his Brussels sprouts. I love his salmon, the way he makes chicken. I like his barbecue chicken. I love...
Pasta?
What's the pasta that you made that was like such a fun noodle?
A fun noodle?
Yeah, like that, like...
What was the shape?
Ravioli. Butternut squash ravioli I love that you make. I love the ciabatta bread that you make.
Uh-huh.
What don't I like? What have you made that I don't really like, I'm not that into? I love how you make broccoli.
We kind of stay,
I love how you make squash.
Yeah. We pretty much stay with the same things over and over again.
So maybe you need to go outside of your comfort zone and start trying new things.
Well, but you don't want me to try new things.
That's true. I'm a very picky eater. Literally, like, give me a margarita in the kids' menu and I'm happy. What's the worst meal Mike's ever made me?
Better answer this one.
No, there's something you made one time that I hated. Oh, yes. Mike made me so before I was in Kushi, Mike made me pre-made meals for the week, which was very sweet of him to do. But for some reason, the chicken tasted like nail polish remover.
It wasn't the chicken, it was the potatoes were heavy on rosemary.
There was something that you did that really killed me, and it tasted like...
She couldn't deal with the rosemary.
I was in the middle of a meeting, and literally my face went red and tears came out because it tasted like nail polish remover. That's actually a really sad question. I wish I got 8. It's usually about 6.5 or 7, and I really feel it. Like when I get 8 or more, I'm the happiest person. My morning routine is hectic. It's usually in here, I'm like one eye open, drinking coffee, trying to like get it together. I do my makeup in the car, usually if I'm on my way to a job, or I start with like a conference call first thing in the morning, or I now been trying to be really good and wake up even earlier and work out. I usually will take Rue out to go to the bathroom, I feed her, I bring in my food for the day, and then I head out to work. Wow, if I could trade careers with anyone, who would it be? Sade? Actually, no, not even Sade. She seems like really busy. I'd rather be like a lounge singer on a cruise ship because I feel like everyone would love every song because you're singing like the hits and you get to cruise around the world and it sounds fabulous and fun and exciting. Something that you'd be surprised about how much weed I smoke. That's probably not something people would think about me. I smoke every day. It's his fault. Oh, you know what? Something that would surprise what would surprise the team the most about me is I actually know how to yodel because I grew up in Utah and I was in the church choir and I know how to yodel. Yodel, 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 yodel.
What's the temporary song?
No, I'm not gonna yodel for you. Oh, no, I got it. I'm really, okay. Yes, this is another thing I would surprise people. I'm really good at name that tune and I'm really good at rock, scissors, paper. Like, I will literally beat anyone. It's psychotic. Like, I am a mind reader when it comes to rock, scissors, paper. Ready? Go. No, not yet. 1, 2. It should be 1, 2, hit.
Yeah,
okay?
good.
Okay, go. One more time, and you're gonna edit that out. Yes, I won! Ooh, shit, is that you asking for a raise? The best advice for someone asking for a raise, I would say, because I've been in that position before, you have to have proof to really back yourself up. Like you need to like really be able to like prove why you deserve it. So I would say just have a really open, honest conversation. I personally like to like check in with people who work on my team like every 6 to 8 months just to make sure everybody's in a good place. But I would say definitely like have a lot of like proof, and also like it's not just about money. Like I think you need to tell whoever's paying your paycheck, you know, why you enjoy working for them, where you see yourself and their company, or wherever you are in the future, and just, you know, I think have a really open and honest conversation about it. Oh, I can't just pick one. I'd want to work for Jeff Lewis for one day because I really feel like I could do it. I would want to go and have lunch with the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Then I would hop over to hang out with the kids from Stranger Things, just because like I love the music of that era and the candy of that era. And then I would probably end up in Portlandia because it's a show that makes me laugh. Oh, definitely Seinfeld. Yes! Oh my god. All right, if I could be in any TV show, it'd be Curb Your Enthusiasm for sure, because I have the biggest crush on Larry David, and I just feel like he's my spirit animal. My frequent flyer miles, let me look it up right now. I just got concierge key from American, and it says something about 468,000 miles. I don't know if that's in 1 year. It couldn't be. Oh, I have 633,000 award miles. I don't know. Guys, I take like, last year I think I took over like 120 planes in a year, which reminds me I actually need to go and pack. I have to go to Qatar. Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye, bye, bye. Come on, let's go.